This waving flag demo is by Arne, who's a young person in the Apollo team. It's very inspiring that a young person can pick up a 68K assembly language and write something that bashes the hardware. Arne has done a whole series of introduction to assembly language topics and also written some nice introductory games. The technique here is to include the data directly into the executable file, so this does make the exe larger, but it also means it doesn't have to use the file system. The data is loaded as the exe is loaded. This was originally built on the Amiga using VASM 1. I'm cross-compiling here with VBCC using VASM 68K. The only change I needed to make was removing the dot from the machine directive. And the assembler is just used to assemble the file, and then the link is used to link it, and then we copy it across to the right folder to be copied onto the Amiga. This demo doesn't actually exit properly, it just crashes at the end for some reason. I am running a beta core here and also an early release of the next release of the operating system, so who knows why it crashes.